Hi, this is my application for the SSI Fellowship 2025 round. My name is Deborah Udoh, or just Debs as most people call me. I'm a registered nurse and midwife in Nigeria, and in a few weeks, registered public health nurse as well. Besides my career in healthcare, I am also a research software engineer at OLS. My journey into tech began serendipitously in 2022 during a university strike when my sister gave me access to her laptop. That kind gesture sparked a deep passion for software development. Armed with YouTube and Stack Overflow, I began my journey navigating through open source communities and ultimately landing a role with OLS as a junior developer in 2023. As a way of honing my skills and giving back to the RSC world, I volunteer as a carpentries instructor, and I'm also a member of the Turing Way community. My experiences as a woman of color in STEM and as a healthcare professional in a low-income, largely patriarchal society have positioned me uniquely to see the value of diverse perspectives in problem solving, especially in research software. One highlight of my career so far has been presenting at RSCCon 24's Emerging Voices Plenary. There, I talked about my journey so far, highlighting the intersection of research software and healthcare, and unveiled my future plans, including my vision for diversity and inclusion in the RSC space. When I'm not deep in code or research, you can find me bowling or petting every cat I meet, still working on convincing my family we need furry friends in our lives. My roles in OLS have been dual-faceted. I initially met the organization through the outreach internship and have the current role of junior research software engineer, where I develop the website infrastructure, maintain the knowledge management system, do code reviews, submit proposals, and deliver talks on behalf of OLS. And in the same year, 2023, I underwent the Open Seeds program, which is where OLS teaches researchers how to do science in the open. I was part of the 7th cohort. As a mentee, I worked on the project, The Impact of Sleep Deprivation on Mental Health. The following cohort, I returned as a core facilitator, where my job was primarily to check the transcriptions done by Otter AI, upload videos on YouTube, and coordinate the cohort. For my fellowship, I'll be working on the Research 101 course. It's a course that's designed to bridge a diversity gap that I have identified in the RSC field by introducing research best practices to beginners, particularly those from underrepresented groups. And this course basically equips individuals with the skills, the knowledge, and the tools that they need to conduct research using the best practices for fair data and reproducible science. This also serves the larger RSC community by acclimatizing RSCs who have come from non-academic or non-research backgrounds. My timeline for the project: within the first to third month, I will undergo the collaborative lesson development training with the carpentries, and right afterwards, propose the course for inclusion in the carpentries lesson incubator. Within the 4th to 6th month, I plan to develop the first 2 modules of the Research 101 course and host an online workshop to pilot the materials and test them. This will target members, including those in the Bioinformatics Hub of Nigeria. Metrics will be at this point to check sign-ups, feedback surveys, and module completion rates to measure success. The goal by the 7th to 10th month is to build a solid community of at least 10 to 15 contributors. These individuals will come from the carpentries, open source communities, RSC groups, and even those without or external to the RSC community. They will participate in curriculum development and they will facilitate the delivery of this course. The metric at this point would be to track open source material contribution for measuring community engagement. Within the 11th to 13th month, I plan to conduct a final impact survey to evaluate the effectiveness of the course and, based on the feedback, refine and scale Research 101 to a global level. The final report is estimated to be out by month 12. This is a bird's eye view or the project roadmap to help you conceptualize my plans for the fellowship. And finally, why the SSI Fellowship? Well, this is the perfect platform to provide mentorship and network that can transform the Research 101 into a scalable, impactful program. Through this fellowship, I will meet and connect with contributors, attend events, attract collaborators, and ensure that this project grows and is sustainable. My experience at RSC Con 24 has inspired me deeply to apply and be part of this nurturing community of fellows who are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with research software. Thank you for listening.